This video demonstrates the registration process for a Databricks Free Edition account.
We'll start by opening a web browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, type Databricks Free Edition and hit Enter. Look for the link that points to the Databricks Free Edition page. It should look something like databricks.com.team-free-edition or similar. Click on that link. This will take you to the Databricks Free Edition page. To begin the sign-up process, click the Sign Up for Free Edition button, which is usually a red button near the center of the page. You now have options to sign up. You can choose to continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or continue with email. For this demonstration, we'll choose to continue with a Google account, so click on Continue with Google. A new window will open for you to choose or sign in to your Google account. Select the account you want to use. You'll then be asked to confirm that you allow Databricks to access your email address. Click Continue. Databricks will now begin setting up your workspace. This process involves spinning up the SQL warehouse, preparing data tools, and launching the workspace, which may take a moment. Once the setup is complete, you will be taken directly into your new Databricks workspace. You are now registered and ready to start exploring the platform. And that's it. You've successfully registered for your Databricks Free Edition account. In the next video, we'll dive right into the platform, show you how to navigate your new workspace, and start setting up your first notebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.